How to withdraw Blum coins from Telegram. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna tell you that how you can withdraw your Blum coins from Telegram. So for that, first of all, open your Telegram app, and after coming to chats, you'll be able to see the search icon at the top. So just click on search, and here type Blum, and you'll be able to see these options. So just click on the first one, and after that you'll be redirected here. So now here you'll have to click on start, and after that you'll be able to see two options: launch Blum and join community. You can either join community as well, but just click on any of the launch button, either the up one or bottom one, and then click on start. After that it will take some time, like just 5 to 10 seconds to load, and they'll ask you for your nickname. So you can just type a nickname. Type in a nickname with any numbers or something that has not been taken before, and click on continue. And then there will be number of days you've checked in displayed before you, and just click on continue and then click on start farming. Because after that your farming has been started. So if you already have coins in your account, so just click on this wallet or in the bottom right, and here you'll have to connect any of the wallet where you have all your coins stored. You can just click on connect wallet and connect any of the wallet. You can connect Tone Keeper or any of the available wallet which you use. Just go to the options and search that which wallet do you have with yourself. And you can even use the built-in wallet of Telegram. If you do use that, it's a good one. I prefer that you do use that. Okay, and then after adding the withdrawal method, you're just gonna come over here and click on withdraw, and all of the coins which you have stored in your account, if you have enough coins that meet the criteria of withdrawal, you'll be able to withdraw them. Like for now I don't have any Blum coins, so I cannot actually withdraw them, but if you do have Blum coins stored with yourself, so you can just come here at the wallet section and withdraw them. So that is how you can withdraw your Blum coins from Telegram. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.